Okay guys, today we are going to learn a little more problems from limits. 2-3 problems from limits. Let us start. Limit x tends to pi tan square x by 1 plus sec x. Okay, this is the problem. First we need to do is substitute the value of pi here, tan square pi by 1 plus sec pi. What is tan pi? Tan 180. Tan 180 tan square pi. Tan 180 square by 1 plus sec 180. Pi radian equals 180 degrees. Okay, so tan 180 is 0 divided by 1 plus sec 180 is 1 by cos 180. Reciprocal of sec is 1 by cos. Okay, 1 by cos 180, 1 by negative 1. So negative 1 is the value. So negative 1. 0 by 1 minus 1, 0 by 0. That is, the limit value of this function is 0 by 0. We cannot determine the value, so there is a limit value for this function. Now we need to find it out. Okay, there are so many methods. See, we learned that there are c square x minus tan square x equals 1. See, we derived last 2-3 class before, we derived the formula. C square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. Then adding tan square x on both sides, you get another formula. So this one cancel out. C square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. What is tan square x? Tan square x equals c square x minus 1. See, that is the formula we need to apply here. Limit x tends to pi, tan square x is c square x minus 1 by, I am going to write, this is sec x plus 1. 1 plus sec x and sec x plus 1 both are same. Sec x plus 1. See, c square x minus 1, sec x the whole square minus 1 square. See, just we need to apply the identity. A square minus b square equals a plus b into a minus b. That is the formula. That is the identity. So what is a here? A is sec x, b is 1. So a plus b, sec x plus 1 into a minus b, sec x minus 1. So substitute the value. Limit x tends to pi. This is sec x minus 1 times sec x plus 1 by sec x plus 1. Sec x plus 1, sec x plus 1 cancel out. So sec x minus 1. What is sec x? Sec x is minus 1. Sec x is minus 1. So minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 is the answer. See, this one is you need to know the identities and the value. You need to remember all the trigonometric values. Trigonometric values are important. So next one. Next one means I am going to write down, I am going to show you another method. Okay, another method for finding out the limit. See, another method is not method, just we can apply so many different formulas. So tan square x is, what is tan x? Tan x is sin x by cos x. I am going to apply that formula here. So sin square x by cos square x divided by 1 plus, what is, see, these are the identities. I am going to write down the identity, trigonometric formulas. See, tan x is sin x by cos x. Cos x. What is 1 by sin x? Cosec x. Cosec x. 1 by cos x. sec x, x, 1 by tan x, cot x. Okay, here tan x is sin x by cos x. Sec x is what? Sec x is 1 by cos x. See this one, 1 by cos x. Here take the LCM cos x. Sin square x by cos square x by cos x LCM. When you take cos x as LCM, what do you get? Cos x, in the numerator, 1 plus cos x. 1 plus cos x or cos x plus 1. Okay, see cos square x here, this is the denominator and this one is also the denominator. You can cancel out 1 cos x. Cos x, cos x. So sin square x by 1 plus cos x times cos x. See here, this is a by b, this is c by d. Okay, a by b divided by c by d. Now you need to multiply a and d together and put it on the numerator. A times d divided by b and c. Multiply b and c and put it in the denominator. B and c. See, you need to remember this. This is important. Okay. I just apply that. See sin square x cos x, sin square x cos x. Multiply sin square x and cos x together. Divided by and multiply these two together. That is cos x times 1 plus cos x. So 1 cos x you can cancel out. Am I right? So sorry, this one is cos square x. Okay, 1 cos x you can cancel out. That is sin square x by 1 plus cos x into cos x. So what is sin square x? See, sin square x is 1 minus cos square x. See, this is the formula again. Sin square x plus cos square x equals 1. Sin square x equals 1 minus cos square x, or cos square x equals 1 minus sin square x. Okay, so sin square x is what? 1 minus cos square x. 1 minus cos square x by 1 plus cos x times cos x. See, 1 minus cos square x what? 1 minus cos square x equals 1 plus cos x times 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x times cos x. See, 1 plus cos x cancel out. 1 minus cos x by cos x. What is? Then just apply the formula. Limit x tends to pi 1 minus cos x by cos x. See, this is the method. Cancel out numerator and denominator, then substitute the value. Cos pi is negative 1. 1 minus minus 1 divided by cos pi negative 1. See, 1 minus minus 1 is plus 1. 1 plus 1 divided by minus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 divided by minus 1 is minus 2. So before also we get the answer minus 2. Okay, both are the same. So this is little more difficult, but you need to apply all the formulas. This is important for you. Take a pencil and write down. This is, you can apply some algebra also. So this is good to remember all these two methods. Okay, next. Next. Yeah, next one, limit x tends to 0 cos pi by 2 plus x by x. Alright, so what is the first step? Just substitute, plug the value here, value of x here. So cos pi by 2 plus 0, x is 0, divided by 0, that is cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2, cos 90, pi by 2 is 90, cos 90 is 0, 0 by 0 form. So we cannot determine the value, so there is a limit value for this function, that is we are going to find out. Okay, see, in trigonometry, what is sine cos 90 plus x? Cos pi by 2 is 90, 90 plus x. Cos 90 plus x is, see, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. 90 plus cos 90, 90 is, all the angles are start from here. 90 is here, plus x is in the second quadrant. Cos, see, all positive here. Here only sine positive. Here tan positive. Here cos positive. Now you can x, a, c, t, s, x, x. See, all positive. Sorry, x, the opposite direction. Okay. All positive. All positive, sine positive, tan positive, cos positive. Here all positive. All positive means sine, cos, tan, sec, cos, cosine, cotangent, everything is positive. Here only sine and cosec positive. Sine and its reciprocal. Here tan and tan cotangent, that is the reciprocal of tan. Here cos and sec, reciprocal of cos is sec. Cos and sec are positive in the fourth quadrant. Okay, x is going like anti-clockwise, clockwise direction, x. This is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Okay, first, see, 1 into 90, odd multiple of 90, so cos becomes sine. Okay, this one is sine. Okay, that is the method. Okay, odd multiple of 90. If it is odd multiple of 90, cos becomes sine. Okay, that is the method. Then what is quadrant? That is second quadrant. Second quadrant, cos is negative. So negative sine x. See, first you need to remember which quadrant the angle lie. That is second quadrant. Second quadrant, cos is negative. Then 90 is 1 times 90. So odd multiple of 90. So cos becomes sine. Then put the last one, x. That is the method. Otherwise, you need to remember the circle and all the values. So it is little difficult. I think this is more easy. Just remember this. Okay. When I take the trigonometry, I will explain to you little more. This is not the trigonometry class. This is a calculus class. So cos pi by 2 plus x is minus sin x by x. See, this is limit extends to 0. What is the value? This is a formula, right? Limit extends to 0. Sin x by x is 1. So this is minus 1. Minus 1 is the answer. So that is one of the methods. I am going to show you another method. That is little more longer, but anyway, that is good for you to remember that method also. See, here cos a plus b. There is a formula for cos a plus b. how can you derive this formula? That is a geometrical proof. A geometrical, we can only derive by geometrical method. So cos A plus B is equal to cos, just remember this formula, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. We just apply that formula here. First I forgot one thing. See, first substitute, plug the value here, cos pi by 2, see x is 0, divided by 0. What is cos pi by cos 90? Cos 90 is 0, 0 by 0 form. So there is a limit value for this function. So limit x tends to 0, just apply the formula here. A is pi by 2, B is x. Cos pi by 2 cos x minus sin pi by 2 sin x divided by x. Okay, then limit x tends to 0. What is cos pi by 2? Cos pi by 2 is 0. So this one cancel out. 0 minus sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is what? Sin pi by 2 is 1. 1 time sin x divided by x. See again, this is a formula. Minus sin x by x is minus 1. See the answer minus 1. Before also you got minus 1. Okay, there are two methods for I show the two methods. Okay, next one, the last one, the last problem. Okay, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos 3x by sin 3x. Okay, see here, cos square x minus sin square x equals 1. Sorry, is cos 2x. Okay, cos 2x equals cos square x minus sin square x. Okay, cos 2x equals cos square x minus sin square x. Cos 2, another formula, cos 2x equals 1 minus 2 sin square x. Another formula, 2 cos square x minus 1. That is also cos 2x. There are three formulas. Okay, you need to learn only the first one, then you can derive from this on all these two formulas. Okay, then see, from here 2 sin square x equals 1 minus cos 2x. Sin square x equals 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Okay. One minus cos 2x by 2. What is sin square x by 2? Sin square x by 2 equals 1 minus cos x by 2. Okay, see here, just apply that formula. Apply that formula here. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos 3x. Here 1 minus cos x. Okay, when the angle is x, here what is the angle? That angle divided by 2. So this one is, there is no 2 here there, so you need to multiply 2. 2 sin square 3x by 2. See, just take the half of 3x. See here, x, the half of x is x by 2. So right now the formula, I apply the formula. So here, what is 3x? Sin 3x. See, sin x is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So just apply the formula here. 2 sin x, 3x by 2 cos 3x by 2. Okay, 2 cancel. So here limit extends to 0. What is that? Sine 3x by 2 times sine 3x by 2. Sine square as 3x by 2 means sine 3x by 2 times sine 3x by 2 divided by sine 3x by 2 cos 3x by 2. Okay, see sine 3x by 2 cancel out. What is sine 3x by 2 by cos 3x by 2? Tan 3x by 2. Tan 3x by 2. Limit extends to 0. See here 0 by 0 form. Right now we change. What is that? Now when you apply x is equal to 0, you get tan 3 times 0 by 2 is tan 0. Tan 0 is 0. 0 is the answer. Okay guys, thank you for listening this. See you next time. Thank you.